I have a message for you, so please take a moment, sit down and simply listen. There are many things today in the world that create separation: religion, skin color, social class, political views, beliefs, and countless other labels. But these labels divide people. They create the feeling that we are different, that we are separate. They create distance between human beings, you see, that we must defend what we believe or who we think we are, you see. And from this sense of separation arise tension, conflict, violence, and we can see even war. But beneath all of these labels and division, there is something essential that humanity has somehow forgotten. Something simple, something obvious, something that has always been here, present, you see. We have forgotten what we truly are. Most human beings today live from the perspective of ego, a psychological identity made of thought, memories, beliefs, conditioning. From this perspective, we believe we are separate individuals, isolated from one another, isolated from life, you see, from life itself. We identify ourselves with religion, with skin colors, with nationality, with ideas, with beliefs. And we strongly identify with these things. We create division. This is where conflict begins, you see. But I want to invite you to remember something. You are not these identities. You simply forgot what you are. And if this is the first time for you hearing this, I know it may sound strange, it may sound philosophical, it may sound unrealistic, but what I am speaking about is not philosophy. It's reality. It's something deeply real, something that can be discovered directly within yourself. Because underneath all labels, underneath all identities, underneath all the story we constantly tell ourselves about who we are, there is life. There is life itself. Impersonal life, you see. The same life that moves through the trees, through the ocean, through every living being, you see. And we somehow forgot it. At our deepest level, we are not separate. We are expression of the same life. We are love and we forgot it. We are freedom and we forgot it. We are peace and we forgot it, you see. This is why so many human beings feel restless, incomplete, or even disconnected, because we are looking for peace in the external world in front of us, you see, while forgetting what we deeply are in essence. But I am here to tell you something. The return is possible. The only real transformation begins within us. If we want peace in the world, we must first discover peace within ourselves. Within ourselves. The outer world is a kind of reflection of the inner world. A mind filled with fear creates conflict. A mind filled with separation creates division. And when the division of separation begins to dissolve, something truly beautiful appears naturally. Compassion appears. Love appears. Understanding, deep understanding, not from mind but from our heart, appears. Peace appears. And this is not something that we create. It's what remains when the illusion of separation, the illusion of this dream falls away. Because when our humanity is going through a period of great change, you see. We see more tension, we see more conflict, we see more fear, uncertainty, But this is also part of this awakening process, because the world is awakening right now. Many people around the world are beginning to question the old ways of thinking. More and more people are starting to see through the illusion of separation. More and more people are remembering what we truly are. And I want you, you can be part of this awakening, not by fighting, fighting the world, not by rejecting others, but by discovering the truth within yourself and living from this truth. So simply, I want you to be careful with what you feed your mind, constantly listening to negativity, hatred, violence, and division only strengthens the illusion of separation, you see. So instead, nourish what is true. Follow love before everything else. Always follow love, always. Not as an idea, but as the way of being. Love is not weakness. Love is the foundation of life. This is the deepest intelligence of life. It's what connects all things, you see. And when we rediscover this, something truly profound happens. We begin to see that we were never truly separate. Yes, we appear, different on the surface, different cultures, different languages, different experiences, different faiths. But in essence, we are the same life expressing itself in many countless forms, you see. Like waves on the surface of the ocean, but each wave appears separate, but every wave is made of the same water, you see. In the same way, every human being is an expression of the same life, the same presence, the same consciousness, the same source. And when we profoundly remember this, the sense of separation begins to dissolve. A natural sense of unity appears. This doesn't mean we become identical. This is not like this. It means we recognize the same essence in one in another. This is love, you see. From this recognition, a different world become possible, I would say. A world not based on fear, not based on uncertainty, on division, but a world based on connection, a deep connection, you see. And this remembering is available to every human being, because we are this and you are this. This is my message. You are this. Even if you are from another country, you are this. You do not need to become someone else. You do not need to follow a complicated path. You are this. You only need to rediscover what you already are. Life itself, love itself, freedom itself, peace itself, life itself, you see. And the moment we begin to live from this truth, even on small way, the world begins to change, you see. Because the world is not separate from us. We are the world. We are all of this. So simply remember this. Remember this. Beneath all labels, all stories, beneath all identities, all divisions, we are this. We are this life. We are this. That was a simple message. We can all remember this. Much love.